Hello everyone. So this is the newest update to the GravityCore gravity volume system that I have implemented. So here now, as you can see, my character is on this planetary surface, like a spherical gravity surface. If I press J, I can turn on the jetpack and escape the gravity. And when I do that, now I am in this space. So this is like a zero gravity area. So the default gravity is zero gravity, but we can change it to whatever the gravity we need. So when we do that, we can freely float in the space like this. But if I now go to a gravity enabled area here, like this, now you see, I simply fall into the surface and we can walk like this. We can jump and walk just like I would work in a horizontal surface. And if I simply walk off this ledge, now you see I'm entering the zero gravity area again. And here, if I go to the inner surface, I take care. Let me, let, yeah, here, see, I can walk on this surface as well, freely. So yeah, let me move again and go back to the planetary surface. Actually here, let me turn on the jetpack and go to the planet. Right now I am under this gravity of this sphere. If I turn off the jetpack, now I am back on this spherical surface. So yeah, this is the newest update, and of course everything is replicated. So just let me just show you how this is set up. So here I have this object, gravity defaults, this one. So here, if I want, I can set this as a zero gravity outside volumes. Volumes means if I, for example, select this sphere, here I have added this gravity source to this static mesh. And if I show the gravity volume, you see, this is the gravity volume that is relevant to this sphere. So if my character is not within any of these gravity volumes, whatever the settings that I do here will be applied to the character. Now instead of this, if I make this one like this and start playing the game, we are on the surface. Let me move away. Now you see my character is now like this, but you don't really see the difference because this is somewhat symmetrical. Yeah, actually this only applies if this is not true. So on the zero gravity outside volume, the character will be aligning to the global Z or global up vector so that we can have like a spacewalking space experience. And yeah, now just like this, for these objects, I have added gravity sources. Now here I have, let me visualize this. So it's like this. This is the gravity area, and this here we have this priority. So this cylinder, within this cylinder, even this sphere is within this cylinder, but this one has this priority number, and if I choose the sphere, it has the higher priority. So because of that, if my character is over here, then the gravity of this object will be applied to the character instead of this cylindrical gravity volume. And yeah, if I make this zero, disable this zero offset gravity volumes and keep this, let me remove this, or let me move this here, for example. See, my character is falling down because we have enabled gravity outside the volume. Play again. So like this, if I turn on the jetpack, now I can actually move up like this. But if I turn off the jetpack, my character starts falling. In the same way, if I make it like this, my character is falling this way. Now this is where the character will be oriented. This should be the natural position. But still, if I move to a gravity volume, the gravity will be applied accordingly. Alright, that's the newest update to the GravityCore system, and all the updated systems you can download from my Patreon page and also from Fab. I'll leave links to everything in description below, and see you in another episode. Goodbye.